So I wired up this charging circuit to the battery of this solar lamp. ChatGPT said that the safest method is to only charge with one of the circuits. So in this case, shade off the solar cell completely so it doesn't get activated, and only charge with this when needed, and otherwise unplug this, the USB, and only use the solar. So they may come in conflict. I don't know exactly why. Some algorithms about battery charging, which the chips use. So yeah, in theory you could have compatible algorithms, but this probably wasn't designed for two chargers. So yeah, this cost me like under $1. And yeah, the lamp is $3, and this will be a really nice solution. You just charge it up once in a month maybe, and put it out. Put it outside, wherever you want light, and whenever somebody passes by, it turns on. And also charges through the solar panel, but yeah, when it's rainy or it's winter, it won't charge enough. So yeah, once in a month you charge it up for a half an hour and you're done. The battery here is kind of crappy. It's the 1200 milliamp hour type, and this usually is only half because it's badly manufactured, or it's already used and it's end of life or something, but it's usually really bad. I measured it after I just turned it on once, maybe for like a minute. It ran the lights for a minute, and it had some power left in it, like 3.8. That's a good voltage for a battery that was not recently charged. But yeah, we need more, and we'll see if it charges at all, and then I'll write in the description what the capacity was, and maybe later I will add some more information about how long it lasts and stuff. So yeah, let's plug it in, hopefully, and let's see if it blows up. I want to capture that on camera if it blows up. So I plug it in, and the blue what does that mean? Battery positive, negative, that's good. Nothing is burning, so let's just see if the voltage is rising. It was 3.8, and now let's see. I don't know. This usually is not blue. Usually it's let me just check. The positive is there. Negative is there. I don't think the blue is charging. Let's put it through a meter so I can see if charge goes through it. Let's see. Oh, now it's charging. Wait. So the voltage wasn't enough because I used the computer's USB. Now it's charging at 0.1 amp. Oop. The USB is not very good. You see? It doesn't make good contact. I don't know if it's the cable's problem. Yup, definitely. So yeah, now it's charging, and it's not blowing up yet. 3.84, Okay, so it's charging, and I'll just have to make a hole for the USB to plug in, because I'm not going to open up this thing every time. Just plug in, and maybe cover it with tape. I think tape will do, like this, PVC tape, and rainwater won't get in. But the other problem is, yeah, this is not waterproof at all, because there's no seal anywhere. So you see, this just goes in there, and it's a piece of plastic. Water can go around it anywhere. Yeah, this is not ideal. So maybe if I put it outside in the rain, I will have to put it in a bag or seal it up. I'll see what I can do. Let's see the charging rate. It's slow, but it's good. Slow is good. It's charging at 0.13 amps on 5 volts. So that's good, I think, if it can charge up at all. So yeah, maybe I'll make another video about this, but until then, just know about this solution. It's kind of cool, and you can have cheap lighting anywhere, even in the forest. You don't have anything around, just put it in a forest and you have lighting every time a rabbit walks by. Or bear, whatever. For $5 maybe. Kind of nice.